We have a question here on linear inequality. Solve and represent on a number line the inequality. We have the inequality as 2 in bracket x minus 1 all over 3 minus 3 in bracket x minus 2 all over 4 greater than or equal to 1. We are going to solve this inequality and thereafter represent the solution on a number line. Let us go. Let's first start by putting down the question. We have 2 in bracket x minus 1 all over 3 minus 3 in bracket x minus 2 all over 4 greater than or equal to 1. We are going to solve this equation the way we solve normal linear equation. There is nothing special except towards the end. Now let's look for the LCM of the denominator, which is 12, because 4 multiplied 3 is 12. 12 is the lowest number that 4 and 3 can divide without remainder. So let us go. 12 divided by 3 is 4. 4 will multiply the numerator. So 4 times 2 is 8. So that we have 8 in bracket x minus 1. 12 divided by 4 is 3. 3 multiplies the numerator. We have 3 multiplied 3 is 9. Then open bracket x minus 2 greater than or equal to 1. Now let us open up the bracket and expand. 8 multiply x gives us 8x. 8 multiply negative 1 is negative 8. Then negative 9 multiply x is negative 9x. Negative 9 multiply negative 2, we have positive what? 18. Now we are going to cross multiply here so that 12 comes this way to multiply 1. So we have greater than or equal to what? 12, because 12 multiplies 1 is equal to 12. Now let us collect like term. 8x minus 9x is equal to 1x, which is negative x. Then negative 8 plus 18 is what? Positive 10. So we have plus 10 greater than or equal to 12. Now positive 10 comes this way to meet 12. And we have negative x greater than or equal to 12 minus 10. Negative x is greater than or equal to 2. Now, we are looking for x, so we find a way to remove this negative sign. And that we can do by dividing both sides by negative what? 1. So we come here to say divide by negative 1 and here divide by negative 1. Now, this 2 that was initially positive will now become negative. And when it happens like that, this inequality sign invert. So this is what we have. Minus sign cancels minus sign, and we have here to be x. This sign now will invert to less than or equal to 2 divide negative 1, it becomes negative what? 2. So this is the solution of this inequality equation. Now we are going to represent this solution on a number line. Okay, so let us come here and draw our number line. This is our straight line. Of course, the middle is 0. To the right hand side, we have positive numbers 1, 2. And to the left hand side, we have negative numbers negative 1, negative 2, negative 3. We have that x first is less than negative 2. So we come to the point of negative 2. The numbers that are less than negative 2 are all numbers to the left hand side of negative 2. So we put a 0 here and draw an arrow towards the left hand side. Note that x is less than negative 2 and it is also equal to negative 2 because we have x less than or equal to negative 2. And because it is equal to negative 2, we come here and shade this circle to indicate that x is also equal to negative 2. Thank you very much for watching.